I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants using puff pastry. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and unroll chilled puff pastry, then cut triangles and roll tightly from the wide end to the tip. Chill briefly before baking to keep layers defined. Bake until deeply golden and let cool before slicing to keep flakiness. I walk you through timing, shaping, and tips to get bakery-style results at home with minimal effort. In this video, I will show how to make croissants using puff pastry. Always cut equal triangles so each croissant bakes evenly, and roll from the wide end with steady, gentle pressure. Tuck the tip underneath to prevent unrolling in the oven, and chill on a baking sheet for 15 to 20 minutes to firm up the butter layers. These small steps make a big difference in oven rise and flakiness. In this video, I will show how to make croissants using puff pastry. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for keeping hands and counters safe from spills while I bake, and it fits in most cup holders. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make croissants using puff pastry. Bake at 400 degrees F on a preheated sheet for 12 to 16 minutes until deeply golden and crisp. Rotate the tray halfway for even coloring and avoid opening the oven too early to maintain lift. After baking, rest the croissants to let steam escape and layers settle, then serve warm or at room temperature for the best flaky bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.